Look, can y'all see? No, you can't because it's dark, right?
So won't you say my name, say my name?
Your schedule, right? First you had to make up your mind that you really gonna do it. It's like, yeah, I wanna do that. That sounds nice. It sounds like it'll be a great time. But then it's like, oh, I forgot about that appointment. All of those second thoughts or whatever, right? If you're new to Black Women Who, that's just about everybody. So I just want to say that this is awesome because Black Women Who started actually in 2018 for the past 4 years. And believe it or not, Black Women Who has really just got it straight, right? So that's easy. So we spent many years down there, raised our family, moved back to DC.
A space that's flat, that doesn't have a lot of debris. Normally it's dirt like this, or a light like a gravel or grass. Pick up anything in the area that's like, if there's like big branches or big rocks that might puncture, you want to look for like broken branches. I mean, most of the time when you go to campsites, you're going to see an area that has the camp, where they set up the tents at. This is the ground cloth. So the first thing you want to do, so you can keep your tent dry underneath, instead of your ground cloth, is that you have your tent right here. So in the tent, the first thing in the front here you have is your stakes. So you're going to pull those out, and the good thing about these compartments is knowing them because you're going to put it away as well. So the front pouch right here with the REI logo is your stakes, so you're going to put those to the side because we don't need them right now. You have your tent, you have your rain tarp that goes over, and then you have your pole area in that, and it should have like a cloth or something, that doesn't have one, but it stays there so you don't puncture your tent, so it has its own compartment. So once to help put them together, who knows how to put them? I don't know how.
Oh, I did this as a kid.
They're tension. So we're gonna have.
Oh yeah.
We have many things. So if you see, they're just sliding them together. It's like putting little pieces together of elastic.
Uh-oh.
Or like a bunch of cord in the middle. One's gonna make. 2 of them are gonna make like an airplane. One's just straight down. And they're just gonna fit into the joint. And you're gonna lay them out. As you're doing that, I'm going to pull out the tent and the rain tarp. So we're going to take the 2 poles that look like an airplane. We're going to put one on each side. We're going to put the long piece facing the middle and the short pieces facing the door. So, yeah. There we go. So we're going to come this way. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to, Alicia, you want to come on the other side of me? Bring that down. We're going to put it,
I'm sorry.
we're going to find our, should be a little, hang on. There's a mallet in here.
first day of camping. We'll see if I can get some footage. Y'all, it's dark as hell out here. Look, can y'all see? No, you can't because it's dark, right? It's so dark out here. I really wish we would have set up camp when the sun was still up, because it's been a little difficult, but we've been okay. We got the tent up. I'm walking and I can't see a thing. Okay. I got my headlight on. It's so dark out here. We're walking back up to base camp. Nobody has called us and told us dinner's ready, so we think that's where everybody else is because it's so quiet out. What time is it? It's 9:13. They said quiet hours start at 10. Oh, look at their lights. See their lights? Our lights don't look nothing like that.
The next time.
Yeah. Next time we know, like this is our, well, Brittany has done this before. And y'all have to meet Brittany in the morning because it's too dark. Y'all can't meet Brittany right now. Where's the camp? First night camping, we survived. Would I recommend? I don't know, y'all. I will say I slept pretty good. It was a peaceful sleep. Me and my tent mate, we think we heard coyotes this morning. And they were just getting louder and louder. Then they stopped. Oh, that's not our house. Our house right here. See our tent? Pretty cool. I wanted to show y'all how we put it together. Last night we needed help. But it was so dark. It's a lot of noise. I think it's just stuff falling out the trees. But yeah, we're up. We went to go get showers this morning around 5 something before a lot of other people woke up. Because you're sharing the bathrooms with everyone at the campsite. So we were like, well, let's go in and get showers and, you know, get ready for the day. So we did that earlier and then just came back and got back in our cots. I'll give you a tour of our tent a little bit later. But it is a 7:25. They said breakfast is at 7:15, maybe. So we're about to walk up to breakfast because we didn't really get dinner last night. Whole nother story. But yeah, so let's go get the day started. Oh, welcome to another vlog. Breakfast is sausage, eggs, and potatoes. So I look forward to it. Well, I am hungry. So I didn't really get no food last night.
Really?
Really.
No.
It was like
It was gone?
it was just the beans and corn that was left. There was nothing. There was no chicken. There was nothing left. Yeah. I almost forgot. I wanted to give you all a tour of our tent. This is our tent. This is my side of the tent and my cot. I put pillowcases, well, my pillows. Here's the cot. I put down a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, my blanket, and then I'm sleeping between the weighted blanket and the regular blanket because the cot is a little hard. This is the doorway. And this is my stuff. And this is our zip wall. And that side of the tent is Brittany's side of the tent. But yeah, this is the tent. Oh, and then I put this U-Haul moving pad because the ground is hard. So I just put this down to kind of soften that. And this has been a lifesaver for my feet. Yeah, so welcome to our tent. All right, guys, so we're about to go kayaking and fishing. So just packing my bag. I got my visor. I got some sunglasses in here. Got plenty of bug spray. Got a towel. I got my water shoes. What else? Got some socks for when we get out of the water. They gave us a case to put our, like a water case to put your phone in to protect it. My phone is charging right now. I need to change my battery on my camera too, because this one's gonna be dying soon. But we have about 15 minutes to be back up at the camp. Oh, some berries over here. I'm gonna pack some snacks too, because I'm a snacker. I bought some dates. Dates to go with some peanut butter. So this is a snack. And then I got some pretzels and some rice cakes. This can go with the peanut butter too. And then I got some apples. And y'all know I don't really be eating raw apples, but look. And I stopped by Buc-ee's on the way here, so I got some sunflower seeds. And yeah, I'm gonna drink some sparkling water. Take some regular water with me. But yeah, we're ready to get this adventure rocking and rolling. Y'all know fishing, well, if you don't know, fishing is on my why the hell not list along with camping. And so we're doing two things at once. Kayaking is not on the list, but I'm gonna give it a try. I don't really like being out on the water, but we should be fine. They have life jackets. But this is the water. This is the electrical, and then this is our, we bought this extension cord. So I'm charging my phone. This is our picnic table and our tent. That's our neighbor's tent, and our other neighbor's tent, and my car. And yeah, this is our view. We saw some deer this morning. We heard some coyotes, so we're really out here, y'all.
touring boats. They're long, they're narrow, they go fast. I want to go straight, so I like a touring boat. We have singles and we have what? Doubles or tandems. Put your water, that's important, but this is something that is also important to know. There's some little slated slots or oars, right? If we were paddle boarding, it's a paddle, but they're different kinds. But they all have similar functionality. Success! I love her.
It's about 6 inches. Spotted bass is out here. Smallmouth hybrid, the striped bass. So I'm just showing you guys what they look like, so when you catch one, you can like try to identify what it is, because that determines like the flavor of the meat or how many inches it is. If you can keep it, push the button and hold it.
As we're swinging.
Right. I'll tell you when to release it. Okay.
As you're casting.
As you're casting, you release it. Right before it hits your face, you'll release it.
Hey, let me see, guys.
I know mine is operator error.
Who's is it casting?
I guess it does work.
Channel catfish, right?
That's
Oh,
a
that's
rainbow.
That's the back.
Wait, can I
No,
catch it
like-
like?
Oh, you know what? So it's too tight. So leave it a little bit of slack. Like when you guys are out there, it should actually push it again.
This is the bait.
Looks not very big.
Cut that middle in half, baby.
Cut this in half?
Yeah, baby, that's too big for that little hook.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, okay.
You want to hold it? Well, I gotta get the knife.
Oh, you had another one, I got you.
Yeah, she getting robbed over here. She getting a bite though.
I'm about to say, you
Making them happy for the rest of y'all.
Uh-oh, I don't want to drop them.
You ain't gotta drop it, just put it in. You ain't gonna do nothing. They can't bite you. You gotta get it.
This is sharp.
Oh, this is nasty.
She said,
Oh, she about to get it. Uh-oh, watch the...
get him. He's still gonna be living.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You can do it.
Hey, you got this.
Hold on, I'm trying not to let the hook hit you.
God, Roxanne got one.
Quick with it, Roxanne.
Roxanne got one.
Woohoo! Oh, somebody gotta tell us what it is.
It's a marlin.
You got
That's a bluegill.
Lord.
It is a marlin.
That's a bluegill.
Oh no, y'all funny.
Is that what that is?
I don't know.
Nah.
That's a bass.
Bass. Oh,
We don't have our.
This is Roxanne right here.
Hey!
mine is moving.
What was it?
Oh no, he didn't drop the fish. Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Oh, look at the fish. Look at the fish.
You got one, Brittany?
Throw them back.
The goal is this thing doesn't come off here. So you want to
Like double loop it, right?
well, really I did it wrong. I should have put him through here and put him up, like scrunched him up in there, and then pull him back. But I think
I don't want to hold that. Ew.
Poor worm.
it's just a worm. You guys don't play with worms. We're going up.
No.
Hello, did it come off?
Nothing come out. What do you mean?
Did it come out? Off?
Just kind of went straight.
Yes, I am exhausted. I just fell asleep and woke up. I don't even know how long I've been asleep. It's almost 2 o'clock. So let's see. I'm sorry, it's almost 3 o'clock. I had been asleep for like 30 minutes to an hour in the chair outside. I was like, you know what? Let me just come back to the cot and lay it on down. I don't know where everybody went. It's like some people are sitting outside just waiting for lunch to be done because they're cooking lunch. Some people are just like, I don't even know where people are. I don't even know where my tent mate is. I thought she was in here in the tent, but she's not. Y'all, I feel like I have a knot on my head from this headlamp. Can I show y'all my headlamp? Yeah, so you put it on like this. And then, so like it comes here, here, and here. Go down. Go up too. Pretty cool. Hurts. Okay. You see I got like a screen port, a screen. Pretty cool. So what do I give camping? 1 out of 10 so far. I'll give it, it's cool, like a 6, 7. If you hate bugs, like cannot survive with bugs, this is not for you. I forgot to take out to the bathrooms. We'll go and do that. We'll go and do that because it doesn't matter if I go when the sun is up or not, but I'm just checking in, just showing y'all what's going on. They're making burgers, I think, for lunch. So, and then tonight we're gonna do a movie and dinner. We're gonna do a night hike, and I think they were supposed to be like playing games and stuff around the campfire, possibly. Don't quote me. So that's what's happening.
What did you say?
I was talking.
Because her brothers, I don't want them to get too much turkey and stuff.
Nacho got the same idea.
99.9%.
Nacho got the same.
That red
Here,
dye.
okay.
Got as clean as we gonna get,
Ma'am?
guys.
Once you guys get done cleaning, there's a bag to put the guts in. Then we'll put them in
This
here.
is the bag for the guts, babe. We on it. Don't you trip no more.
Oh, you know.
Put it back in the knife.
Plastic one.
Huh?
Unless we.
That's what I'm saying. We got a plastic spoon? Somebody.
Can you do the back of the knife? Yeah, I can go grab it. To scale it.
Yeah, we got to scale it first before we even do
No,
anything.
use the back of the knife to scale it.
Yeah, but he's gonna do the inside, right?
Yeah, we can't use it. We can use the back. You can use the back, yeah. Grandma! Get grandma 5 on
Watch
that
your
one.
fingers.
Shit, I haven't cut nothing.
I'm to my ebony.
Oh.
Are y'all in a race?
I know, right? That's what I'm about to say. Like, for real.
What are you?
Is this okay?
Yeah, baby, that's fine. Just sit there.
What are you guys doing? A filet contest?
That's what I say. Look like they.
Baby,
Once you get it, if I get the feel on it.
What's that orange thing on there?
The orange on the belly. Oh, that. Oh, that's just
His
the
eye?
color. Just the color on his skin. Oh, what he on the scale? What he do when he grow up?
Too late.
Well, didn't make that one. So.
Man, poor baby.
He grow up. He full grown.
Now, what are these? What kind of fish are these?
A sunfish,
Yeah.
Like perch?
Perch. All right. So next, you want to cut out the private part.
Oh, he's still trying to breathe. Oh, he. No, he's not.
So next, you cut out your private part.
They castrated him.
Put a V. Yeah, just, yeah, cut that
Not the
out.
fillet him.
Then you wanna hit him here and go up.
The V was for what?
Cut out the private part.
To get in there.
Yeah.
To get in there.
have it here and up.
No, from the cut part where you just cut. Yeah, and go up. That way you don't cut your hands or nothing like that.
Watch your
Move
finger.
thumb,
Watch your
move thumb out the
finger.
way. There you
Yeah,
go.
it's just
Let me see
slippery.
it. Let me see it.
They got paper towels.
So you want to put them down and then come up. Like
You
so.
gotta watch your fingers too.
You want to get your spoon. You want to look in here and get your guts out.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm done.
What you doing? What you talking about?
Yeah, didn't you catch some there?
Yeah, did you get it?
They said they pop in your mouth
Nah,
like those boba.
Not
Girl, what?
That's what I've heard. I've never eaten one. That's what people
A
say.
delicacy.
Eyeballs?
Yeah. They're in certain cultures.
If you fry them, they get hard.
They get hard.
If you fry them.
Like a gizzard?
Yeah, like you know how people fry a
Oh,
whole
I love
fish?
some
Uh-huh. Yeah, it'll get hard.
Oh, I never eaten
All right,
that.
so the head is off.
She did hers.
All right.
That
wasn't bad.
So we need a bowl. We have a bowl. Put some water in it. One of these right here. This right here is fine.
The pot?
Yeah, that pot right
Make sure
there.
y'all get them good.
All right, guys. So we ate dinner. We washed and cleaned some fish. It is 5:50. We're heading to the restroom. I just need to go to the bathroom, but I just wanted to show y'all what the walk is like. So this is our campsite. We're at number 6. And the bathroom is at number 9 for the most part. It's kind of like across from number 9. So you do have to walk up the road. Keeping in mind there's no lights out in the middle of the night. So my tent partner and I, we typically go in groups. But because it's daylight, we feel pretty safe going by ourselves. So we have, the group that we're with has this one and this one. And then that building over there is the bathrooms. It's 2 stalls on one side and 2 stalls on the other. And so there are other campers out here. So there are other campers. Somebody left their underwear. Ugh. Okay, so the door's locked. This is the shower. And the toilet. And the sink. Those are the bathrooms. Yeah. We know that there are some bathrooms over by the lake. They said those are cleaner, but that's a further drive or a further walk, or you could drive it. So a number of us were like, we should probably go over there and shower tonight instead of these. Because these are like, oof. But I'm thankful for them. I'm glad we're not doing primitive camping. They said the primitive camping is when you don't have the water and electrical hookups. And I think you don't have the showers either. They said there is an area on this campsite where you can do that, but we're not doing that, y'all. So yeah, we just been playing games. Like I said, just finished eating dinner. We're supposed to be going on a night hike. We're supposed to do dinner and a movie. And then we're gonna do like s'mores and stuff tonight. Right now we're just all kind of like chilling. It's almost 6. So yeah, I think some people might be walking over to the beach. I'm not sure. They say the beach is over by the lake, but on the other side of the parking lot. So I'm gonna see if anybody wants to walk over there with me. Most people are just down to do whatever, you know. So I think they're about to cook this fish too that they caught. So that's cool. I do want to try a little piece. Just a little piece. I forgot what kind of fish it is. Uh-oh. Do I have everything I need? I think so. Yeah.
Be them
Nah, ain't no more Reese's left.
Ain't no more left?
She
Okay,
got-
then
she got
this is the chocolate.
Chocolate right there.
The
Yeah.
Reese's.
Nah, they only bought one thing of Reese's.
That bar. Yeah. She said it wouldn't be the same.
We're still going.
They're still going, but they just getting stuff together.
That's fine. Y'all can go whenever you want.
All right, that's fine. Good. Y'all good on fire?
We gotta have something to work off.
Is it not gooey enough for you?
Department of Justice has been investigating corruption in mining in the waste department, and we now have credible cartel being brought up in this case. We just didn't know. The cartel bank turned up dead 2 weeks ago, shot by its girlfriend. They found a phone. This is Judy Howard.
Oh, me?
I realize I have no jurisdiction here.
Not anymore because the chocolate not melting. It is delicious though.
That's on the veggies and everything. Alright, that's smart. Yo, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I need to do that too.
Saute onions.
That's why I said I need to watch it.
But I saw this movie 3 hours. I said, oh no, I've been sleeping on that.
See what we tasting like.
Yeah, let me see.
There's just a little bit of basil and cheese on it, but
It looks good.
my crust is still. Oh, it's good.
It's not that charred. I could have kept it on there a little longer. Yeah, I definitely could have kept it on there longer, but I don't have pepperonis on here, so it doesn't need to.
No, it don't need to stay that long. Okay. You put the vegan cheese on there? Or regular cheese? Okay.
Good morning, folks. Happy Sunday. This is our last day. I wanted to show y'all this daddy long leg because I don't think I showed y'all these. These things are huge. Get out of here.
Something told me to look in here.
Is it both of them? Okay, let me show you. Okay, so we still missing something. All right, where did the thing go? I don't know where that one went. Because I promise y'all, these the biggest daddy long legs I ever seen. Y'all see that one? Running. Okay, here's one. He's been up here all morning. Y'all see this thing? Aren't they big? Now imagine them on the bathroom walls, on your tent, all over the ground where you need to walk to get into your tent, on top of your tent, in between the covering and the tent, all night. But I survived. Okay, so we're about to break down this tent, and I wanted to set up the camera because y'all didn't see us put it up. So in my mind, if I play this as we're breaking down, you'll get the idea. Or how about this? I'll just reverse it so you see us putting it up too. But we ain't got that many in.
That's what I heard.
But in the front.
You look a little short.
What you say, get one?
Oh yeah, the one we go to the back like this. Okay, Flo. Okay.
Somebody with orange shorts.
People with orange shorts, yeah, in the front. Y'all gotta come in hand in there.
Wait.
I was stuck on 5.
There we go.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we are back home. It is 11:05. I've been home probably for about 5 minutes now, like literally just got in. I am unpacking the car. Most of the stuff is staying in the garage. I'm gonna throw everything that I took with me to camp in the washing machine. So everything is gonna stay in that garage until it is cleaned. But yeah, of course we had to stop by Buc-ee's, because what's a Texas road trip without stopping by Buc-ee's both times? So yeah, I am unloading the car and I'm about to start a Sunday reset. So that is going to be a whole nother video. But thank you guys so much for watching my camping adventures. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would I give camping? I would give it a 6. I don't like bugs, but I think what made my score drop is because I hate spiders. That was the kicker. And it wasn't just the daddy long legs, because daddy long legs are harmless, right? It was the other big spiders. Like, and I know I'm in their home, so I'm the outsider, I get that, but I wholeheartedly do not like spiders. The bathrooms weren't too bad, but I think that gave it a tick down on my meter. And then getting there and putting that tent together at night with a headlamp that I've never worn before, that I think gave it a tick down. So my battery is over, but make sure you subscribe to the channel and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
So won't you